have a setup in the studio for a long-running weekend test. It looks like this on the live stream. So we have a compressed image being streamed because this is over tail scale, so we don't want it raw image because it's not local network. And predictions and stuff are all here. We'll change this to be 5. You can see the hertz at which things are publishing. This is what it looks like live coming off, so timestamp is accurate. My system clock is cut out right now, but it's currently 21:50:14. Cool. So if I ls what's currently available, I can sync that data down. I changed the config size to be 10 megabyte MCAP files. So this is now playing back from file that's been uploaded. So you can see for a 10 megabyte MCAP, we've got about 400 frames. And I set up an Arduino in my studio that is randomly cycling a light on and off, and it does that every, I think, 10 to 30 seconds, maybe 3 to 30 seconds. So this should give us a random sampling of data, and this is in the MCAP, and the MCAP is compressed video, so this is the 8264 video. We're not getting the full 10 FPS. I think that is from the I think that's from the inference server, because if I look at the logs, we now are warning. You can configure how channels and workers log things. So the raw frame output channel is warning whenever it drops frames, and it's doing that. It looks like every other frame, which would make sense that this is 5 FPS and it's supposed to be 10. So the inference server is not keeping up. And yeah, this is neat. So this is the beauty of an MCAP file, is I can scrub back and forth really fast, and Foxglove can just quickly read these files because it's having to only decompress one image or decode one image at a time, because each one is a H.264 encoded frame. We don't have to worry about keyframes, and MCAP is able to load immediately.